Hi, I'm Rihanna Clark, and today we're going to be graphing a quadratic function. Now, a quadratic function in the form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So the one we're going to be looking at today is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now, the first thing we want to do when graphing a quadratic function is to do the x-intercepts first. So to do that, we have to factor it first. Now, I don't know the way you did it, but the way I learned how to do it was the diamond method. So what we're going to do, it's just an x, and it's the c value on top and the b value on bottom. So negative 8 is on top and 2 is on bottom. So what we have to do is we have to find two numbers that multiply to give us negative 8 and add to give us 2. So if you do that, then you would find out that it's 4 and negative 2. So now you have to put it in factored form, which is just saying x plus a number, so it's positive, so we're going to go with 4. And x minus 2. So that's the factored form, but to find out what the x-intercept is, we have to set both of these equal to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. So now we just solve both of them. So we find out that x equals negative 4 and x equals 2. So let's just plot that real quick. So negative 4 and positive 2. Alright, so now what we want to do is find the axis of symmetry. So to do that, we have to add both of our x values and divide it by 2. So it's negative 2 divided by 2, which is negative 1. So our axis of symmetry will be negative 1. Alright, so there's our x value for our axis of symmetry. Now what we want to do is find the y value for our axis of symmetry. So what we're just going to do is take negative 1, the x value of it, and plug it back into our original equation. So it's going to be negative 1 squared plus 2 times the negative 1 equals, or minus 8. So negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times the negative 1 is negative 2.
Alright, just do it too.
And minus 8. So it's 1 plus a negative 2 minus 8. So it's negative 1 minus 8. So our y value equals negative 9. So it's going to be on this line, negative 1 and negative 1. Okay, now we want to find our y-intercept for this function. So it's really simple. All you have to do is look at your c value, which is negative 8. So we know it's going to cross through the y-axis at negative 8. And now we connect our points. fill that in real quick. So we said our axis of symmetry is -1. Our x values are -4 and +2. Our y-intercept is -8. Our vertex is -1, -9. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.